Welcome to this video. Today, you're not just going to listen to a book overview. You're embarking on a profound journey of change. This isn't merely a collection of advice, it's about mastering the most impactful skill in existence: the ability to connect with anyone through conversation. Before we dive in, let's reflect on something significant. Have you ever entered a space and felt unnoticed? Have you wanted to speak up but found your words stuck? Have you ever dreamed of being the kind of person who walks into a room and effortlessly captivates, engages, and draws others toward you? Most people fear speaking, not because they lack words, but because they dread judgment, dismissal, or being overlooked. That fear quietly crushes aspirations, stalls career growth, keeps relationships surface level, and prevents meaningful connections from forming. This book steps in to change that. Every truly accomplished person shares one trait: they read. Warren Buffett devours books. Elon Musk dives into them. Oprah Winfrey and Barack Obama rely on them. Books do what schools, jobs, or wealth cannot: they reshape your thinking and elevate your perspective. How to Talk to Anyone by Leal Lowndes isn't just a guide to better conversations, it's a blueprint for transforming your presence, confidence, influence, and relationships. Whether you're shy, introverted, socially uncertain, or unsure how to communicate, these strategies are rooted in psychology and real-world practice. In this video, I've handpicked the most impactful techniques that can start changing your life today. Mastering even a few of these communication skills will make you unforgettable. You'll speak with ease, even in tough situations, excel in interviews, shine in presentations, bond with strangers, and even inspire admiration in others. Plus, as you watch, you'll also sharpen your English listening skills. I've designed this video to be clear for English learners, with every sentence spoken slowly, every explanation simple, and every technique paired with practical examples. By the end, you'll not only improve at connecting with people but also grow more confident speaking English. This is a dual transformation you won't want to miss. Technique 1: the warm glow smile. Have you ever met someone whose smile felt forced, rushed, or artificial? Now think of someone who looked at you, truly saw you, and let a gentle smile spread across their face, as if your presence alone brought them joy. Leal Lowndes calls this the warm glow smile, a powerful tool for connection. Instead of smiling instantly, pause, make eye contact, and let a warm, gradual smile emerge, like sunlight breaking through clouds. This makes others feel valued, noticed, and at ease. Why? A slow smile builds trust, it feels authentic, intentional, and says, "I'm genuinely happy to see you." Example: picture yourself at a job interview. The interviewer meets countless candidates. Most offer nervous grins and quick handshakes. But you pause, lock eyes, and let a calm, warm smile grow. That moment sets you apart, confident, composed, and memorable. Technique 2: lingering gaze. Most people glance away during conversations, but great connectors use lingering gaze. When listening, hold eye contact slightly longer than usual, not intensely, but with curiosity and warmth. It shows you're fully engaged, as if their words are the only thing that matters. Why does it work? In a world where people feel ignored, steady eye contact makes them feel seen, valued, and respected. Example: at a social gathering, distractions abound, but you focus on one person with a lingering gaze. They feel uniquely connected to you, even if you say little, and leave thinking, "That person was incredible." Technique 3: the full turn welcome. Babies light up when their favorite person enters the room. Leal Lowndes suggests mimicking this by turning your entire body, head, shoulders, feet, towards someone when they approach, signaling, "You matter to me." Most people half-turn, distracted or multitasking, but a full turn says, "I'm fully here for you." Example, at work, someone interrupts while you're typing. Instead of glancing up, you stop, turn fully, and smile. That simple act builds instant trust. Technique 4. Master stillness. Your body speaks before your words. Nervous habits, fidgeting, leg shaking, or touching your hair undermine your presence. The key is to practice stillness. Stand tall, keep hands relaxed, and stay grounded. Stillness projects confidence and control. Example, during a presentation, you stand calmly, avoiding nervous pacing or adjustments. Your audience sees you as poised, trustworthy, and commanding. Technique 5. Reflect their feelings. Most conversations stay logical, but deep connection requires echoing emotions. If someone says, "I'm exhausted from work," don't just say, "Me too." Instead, respond, "That sounds draining. Are you okay?" This mirrors their emotions, creating a bond. Why? People crave to be understood, not just heard. Example, a friend shares a job rejection. Instead of, "That's rough," say, "That must feel so disheartening after all your effort." That response builds trust and emotional closeness. Technique 6. Say their name with intention. A person's name is music to their ears when used thoughtfully. Saying it early, with warmth and pause, makes them feel recognized and valued, not just another face in the crowd. Example, meeting Sarah at an event, instead of, "Nice to meet you," say, "Sarah, it's great to meet you." Later, "That's a great point, Sarah." She feels seen, respected, and remembered, turning a casual moment into a meaningful connection. Technique 7. The thoughtful pause. Most rush to fill silence, but influential communicators pause before responding. This brief silence adds weight to your words, showing calm and control. It builds anticipation, making your response more impactful. Example, in a meeting, you're asked a tough question. Instead of stumbling, you pause, hold eye contact, and say, "Great question. Let's think through it." You appear composed and persuasive. Technique 8. Ask expansive questions. Small talk dies fast with yes or no questions. Instead, ask open-ended ones that invite deeper sharing, like, "What inspired you to choose this career?" rather than, "Do you like your job?" These questions show curiosity and spark meaningful conversations. Example, at lunch, ask, "What's been the highlight of your week?" instead of, "Good week." The response opens a window into their world, fostering connection. Technique 9. Match their vibe, stay grounded. People connect with those who mirror their energy but offer calm stability. If someone's excited, show enthusiasm but stay composed. If they're nervous, match their tone briefly, then guide them to calm with your steady presence. This balance makes you relatable yet grounding. Example, a nervous colleague speaks quickly before a presentation. You nod, smile, and say calmly, "I get that energy. You've got this." They relax, mirroring your calm. Technique 10. The focused gaze. In a distracted world, giving someone your full attention is rare and powerful. Maintain steady, gentle eye contact, ignoring phones or surroundings, to say, "You're my priority." This undivided focus feels like respect and care. Example, a friend shares a problem. You keep your eyes on them, nod slowly, and stay still. Even without many words, they feel deeply valued. Technique 11. Speak to their potential. Most address people as they are now, nervous, unsure. Great communicators see and speak to their future selves, saying, "I see your strength. You're capable of so much." This inspires growth. Example, your cousin doubts their business idea. Instead of, "Be careful," say, "You're sharper than you know. I can see you making this work." Your words ignite their confidence. Technique 12, the heartfelt compliment. Surface praise like "a nice outfit" fades quickly. Instead, offer compliments that touch their core, like, "Your patience under pressure is inspiring." These resonate deeply, affirming their identity. Example, after someone helps you, say, "Your kindness and calm really stood out. That's who you are." They'll carry that affirmation for years. Technique 13, embrace silence. Sometimes, the most powerful response is none. Silence, warm, present, non-judgmental, creates space for emotions to breathe. When someone's emotional, sit with them quietly, maybe offering a gentle touch. Example, a grieving friend shares their pain. Instead of quick words, you sit close, silent, holding their hand. That presence becomes a sacred connection. Technique 14, command the room. Many shrink when entering a space, rushing or looking down. Confident people move deliberately, walking slowly, standing tall, breathing deeply, owning their presence. This quiet confidence draws others in. Example, entering a meeting, you walk steadily, smile lightly, and sit with grace. Without a word, you've signaled, "I belong here." Technique 15, assume they admire you. Before speaking, assume others already respect and like you. This mindset shifts your energy, your smile becomes natural, your voice steady, your posture relaxed. People mirror this confidence, treating you as someone worth knowing. Example, meeting someone new, think, "They're excited to meet me." Your calm, warm greeting makes them feel at ease, and they respond warmly. Technique 16, the triple nod. When someone shares something meaningful, give 3 slow, gentle nods as they finish. This subtle gesture says, "I'm listening. Keep going." It builds trust, encouraging them to open up. Example, a coworker vents about stress. You nod 3 times, maintaining eye contact. They pause, then share more, feeling safe with you. Technique 17, find shared moments. Connection sparks when you find common ground. When someone shares a dream or experience, saying, "Me too," builds an emotional bridge. Be genuine, only share authentic overlaps. Example, someone mentions loving Iceland. Instead of, "Nice," say, "Me too. The Northern Lights are on my list." That shared vision deepens your bond. Technique 18, pause and reflect. Don't rush responses. Pause, absorb, then reply thoughtfully. This shows you're truly processing, making your words more meaningful. Example, a friend says, "I might quit my job. I'm not happy." Pause, then say, "That sounds heavy. What's been weighing on you?" They feel heard, and the conversation deepens. Technique 19, use comforting words. Simple phrases like, "I understand," "Take your time," or "I'm here for you," create emotional safety. Said sincerely, they make others feel valued and heard. These words build trust instantly. Example, someone shares a struggle. You say, "That must be tough. I hear you." They relax, feeling safe to open up further.